have some more exciting sneak peek news in props that are returning, and the prop that is returning is flesh-eating zombie. That's right. It was totally unexpected. I was not expecting him at all, but I'm so glad he's the prop that's returning. He's probably my favorite zombie prop of all time, so I'm definitely going to be getting him if I can. It just sucks that he's online only. I wish you could buy him in the store, but it's okay, I guess. I'll still try to find a way to buy him, but I'm so happy that it's him. But I don't have much more to say. I'm just so happy, and I hope they keep up with props returning from various years. But anyway, tell me your thoughts on Flesh Eating Zombies return in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.